Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So we'll be taking division and fractions. Division and fractions. So division and fractions is very simple. We just need to understand the rule behind it, and we are going to get that right away. So example, simplify 7 over 15 divided by 14 all over 25. Okay, so the rule for division and fractions is the division sign changes to multiplication. So this sign will change to multiplication. And when it changes, the fraction after it, this fraction here, the fraction after the division sign, will have to invert the fraction after the division sign. The numerator will invert with the denominator. So what do we have? Let's see what we are going to do here. This will give us 7 over 15 times the division sign will change to times, and then the fraction after it will now be 25 over 14. That is what we are looking at. I repeat, you don't divide with fraction directly. You change the division signs to multiplication, and then the fraction after the division sign will be inverted. So what we have, we've done that now, so we can now proceed to reduce the fractions. So 7 and 14, 7 year 1, 7 into 14, 2. 15 and 25, 5 year 3, 5 year 5. So if we multiply 1 times 5, that will give us 5. And then 3 times 2, that will give us 6. And that becomes our answer. Number 2, solution. So 4 whole number, 2 over 5 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 5. So the first thing we have to do is not the division sign. The first thing is to change the mixed fraction to improper, and that will give us 22 all over 5, still on division, because we are just changing the signs first, or we are changing the mixed fraction to improper first, divided by 11 all over 5. And what do we do from there? So let's now change. So that will give us 22 all over 5 times 5 all over 11. So 5 cancels 5, we have 1. 11 here, 1. 11 into 22, that will give us 2. Then our answer will be 2 all over 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, we move to the third example. Solution. 4 whole number 4 over 5, that will give us, let's put that down. 4 whole number 4 over 5 times 1 whole number 3 over 8 divided by 4 over 5. So let's change the mixed fractions first. That will give us 24 over 5 times 11 over 8, still division, divided by 4 over 5. Now, what do we have? Let's change the division sign. 20, 24 over 5 times 11 over 8. Please take note, we are only inverting the fraction after the division sign, not any fraction we see. The fraction after the division sign. So times, this is the one after, this is the sign. So this is the fraction we are to invert. So that will give us times 5 all over 4. Okay, so let's reduce 5 year 1 and 5 year 1. 8 into 8, 1. 8 into 24 will give us 3. And if you check the numerators and the denominators, nothing, there is no common factor for them. So that means we are done. So we proceed to multiply. 3 times 11, that will give us 33 all over 1 times 4, that will give us 4. And then that will give us 8 whole number 1 all over 4. And then we proceed to the next example. Okay. Example 4. So let's see what we have. 7 over 12. 7 over 12 divided by 3 over 4 times 5 all over 6. So 7 over 12, I think they are all proper fractions. 12. Now the division sign here will change to times, and it's only this fraction. This is the only fraction we invert. So times 4 over 3 times this one will remain the same way because it's times as here times 5 all over 6. What would that give us? Then I have 4 here, 1, 4 into 12, 3. Nothing else can cancel up and down. So we are done with that. That will give us 7 times 5, which is 35, all over 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 6. That will give us 54. Okay, and that brings us to the end of our that brings us to the end of division of fractions. So you have your activities here, which you have to carefully go through them one after the other. Please do well to go through the division of fractions, very important. Remember the rules. Change the division sign to multiplication, and then the fraction after the division sign, which has been changed, will be inverted. The numerator becomes the denominator. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share to others. See you in our next class.